Hello everyone, this is the Random Channel Eli here, and today I got a question for the door closer doctor and the fire safety touch. I have a door closer here. Yeah, that is bent, and I was wondering if this door closer is savable or not, because it is bent, and that's how far it can go, but if I push on it, it has some struggle, and it still works completely fine. And I'll tell you the story. So, I had this closer here mounted to my parents' screen door in their backyard, and I guess the one time the wind took the door, slammed it against the frame or whatever, and then during that event, the closer, it bented the shaft there, and when I shook the closer, I can hear something rattle. Door closer, doctor, safety touch, fire safety. If you know anything about those piston closers, please let me know. And I know the door closer doctor's gonna have to write like a two papers of freaking words, but I just need someone to explain why is it refusing. Yeah, see, I can push on it, and then the farther I push, the harder it gets to open. So, and like I said, I shook the closer, and I heard something rattling. If you guys know what that is, please let me know. Oh, by the way, thank you for 19 subscribers, guys. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. Alright, well, that's it for the video. I just had a question for the door closer doctor, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.